Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. My name is Erica and welcome once again to my channel. So today we are preparing rice stick noodles. This is a very simple recipe, and so I would introduce my ingredients to you. So we are using rice stick noodles. This is how it looks and this is what I am using. And I have chicken breast, which I have cleaned and chopped them up to my desired size. I also have shrimps. I have cleaned that as well. I have deveined, taken out the shell and with the exception of the tail. And then I have carrots here as well, and then I have one medium red onion that I have chopped up as well, and then I have minced ginger and minced garlic as well, and then I have bell pepper. I'm using red and green. You can use any color that you prefer. My bell pepper was big, so I'm using half of each, half of the red and half of the green. So I also have powdered chili pepper here as well, and then I have Remie fried rice seasoning powder. I also have garlic powder, I have onion powder, and then I have Remie shrimps powder, and then I have salt to taste. I am also using olive oil and soy sauce. And I would also list all the ingredients in the description section so that it is easier for you if you want to get them. And I would leave, in case I left any ingredients out, I would leave that as well. To season my chicken, I am using half a teaspoon of chicken stock cube, and then I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder. With the measurement of the spices, you can use it to your preference, and depending on the quantity that you are using, I would also add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I will add half a teaspoon of onion powder. I would also add half a teaspoon of salt, and then I will add a teaspoon of olive oil. I will then mix everything together, making sure that the chicken is well coated in the spices. And once that is done, I will set it aside to marinate until I'm ready to use it. With the shrimps, I added the same spices, with the exception of the chicken stock cube. I use shrimp seasoning instead. So in my pan, I will add a little bit of olive oil and then allow it to heat up. And once it is heated, I will add my chicken and I would saute it until it is all cooked through. As my chicken is cooking, I would add water to the pan and I would add salt to cook my rice stick noodles. Please read all the instructions on your noodles just to know how it is prepared. And so yeah, I have my water on the fire, and then I will check back on my chicken and it looks good. I have been sauteing it, it's cooked through, so I have taken everything out. I would add a little bit of the olive oil to the pan, same pan again, and then I would add my shrimps to it. I will saute this as well. I would lay them flat, making sure it's not overlapping each other, and then I would turn it when it's half cooked. I will turn it until it's all cooked through. Shrimps doesn't take long to cook, so I will say give it about 3 minutes and it should be done. I am checking back on my water and it is boiling. So at this point I will switch off the fire, because with the rice stick noodles you don't have to cook it while the fire is still on. All I needed was boiling water, and so I have added it and I'll allow it to sit for about 5 minutes to cook through. So I've checked back on my shrimps and it is all done and ready. So I will take everything out of the oil, and then I will prepare for my other ingredients. So in the same pan I am adding a little bit of the olive oil to it, and then I would add my minced garlic and ginger, and then I will stir it until it is fragrant. And then I will add my onions and stir that as well. So whilst that is cooking, I'm checking back on my rice stick noodles and it is all cooked through. So I will drain the water from it and I will set it aside. So my onions and garlic and ginger has been cooking for about 2 minutes. So I have added my bell peppers and adding my carrots to it as well, and then I would let that fry for about 5 minutes. I prefer my vegetables crunchy, so I would not let it cook for long. And at this point I have added my noodles and stirred it up nicely, and it's all looking good. So I would add my soy sauce to it. Yes, what is rice stick noodles without soy sauce? So I have added that, and then I would give that a good stir, making sure that every of the noodle is well coated in the soy sauce. So once I have stirred everything up nicely, I would then add my chicken to it, and I would add my shrimps as well, and then I will give everything a good stir and make sure that it's all looking good and every part of the noodles have a bite of the chicken or the shrimps to it. Ready and looking good. It is ready to be served. Thank you so much for sticking with me till this point. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thank you so much for your support, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.